Imagine you're in a fancy restaurant. Would you say, "Give me food," or "May I have the menu?" Today, we're diving into polite expressions and modal verbs, the secret ingredients to sounding friendly and respectful in any conversation. Let's break it down. Thank you. Used when receiving help, gifts, or kindness from someone.
Thank you for helping me carry these bags.
Please. Used when asking for something or requesting someone to do something.
Could you pass me the salt, please?
You're welcome. Used after someone thanks you for something.
Thanks for the coffee.
You're welcome.
Sorry, or I'm sorry. Used when you make a mistake, hurt someone, or interrupt someone.
I'm sorry for being late. The traffic was bad.
Excuse me. Used when interrupting, asking for directions, or needing to pass by someone.
Excuse me, do you know where the nearest bank is?
No problem. Used in response to thank you, or when someone apologizes.
Sorry for the delay.
No problem. Take your time.
Pardon? Used when you didn't hear or understand something.
Pardon? Could you say that again?
Pardon me. Used to excuse yourself when sneezing, bumping into someone, or needing clarification.
Pardon me. I didn't catch what you said.
After you. Used when entering a room, getting on a bus, or allowing someone to pass first.
After you. You were here first.
It's my pleasure. Used in customer service or formal situations when doing something kind.
Thanks for your help.
It's my pleasure.
Yes, please. Used when someone offers you something, such as food, drinks, or assistance, and you want to accept.
Would you like some more tea? Yes, please. It's delicious.
No, thank you. Used when someone offers you something, but you do not want it.
Do you need help carrying that bag?
No, thank you. I've got it.
Bless you. Used to acknowledge a sneeze as a sign of courtesy.
Achoo!
Bless you.
If you're liking the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. All right? Let's continue with modal verbs. Can. Used to talk about skills or ask for permission informally.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Could. Used to make polite requests or talk about past ability.
Could you help me with this task?
May. Used for formal permissions or polite offers.
May I leave early today?
Would. Used when making polite offers or talking about imaginary situations.
Would you like some tea?
Should. Used when giving recommendations or suggesting the right thing to do.
You should eat more vegetables.
Might. Used when something is possible, but not certain.
It might rain later, so bring an umbrella.
Shall. Used mostly in British English, for formal speech or offers.
Shall we go for a walk?
Ought to. Expresses moral obligation or advice similar to should.
You ought to apologize for your mistake.
Would you, please? Used to ask someone to do something kindly.
Would you please close the window?
I would. Used when making polite offers or talking about hypothetical situations.
I'd love to join you for dinner.
That's it for today. Hopefully, you've learned something new that you might start using. If you enjoyed this, you could like and subscribe, and maybe even leave a comment. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.